para sa Ninoy Aquino. Ang oras po ay 16 na minuto makalipas ang 8 ng umaga. Tayo po ay patungo sa Manila Domestic Terminal 4 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto at ang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari niyo kunin ang inyong mga hand-carried baggage kapag ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto. Sa ngalan ni Kapitan Snell, unang opisyal konsepsyon at ng buong ZES Air Crew, nagagalak po kaming nakapaglingkod sa inyo. Sana po ay nasiyahan kayo sa inyong lipad. Inaasahan po namin magkikita po tayong muli. Maraming salamat po at maligayang pagdating dito sa Manila. We have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The time now is 16 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. We are now taxiing towards Manila Domestic Terminal for your proper disembarkation. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until seatbelt signs are switched off. For safety reasons, please do not remove your hand-carried baggage from stowage until the aircraft comes to a full stop. Before deplaning, please check your seat pockets, your seating area, and the overhead bins for any hand-carried item you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Snell, First Officer Concepcion, and the entire ZES Air crew, thank you for making ZES Air a part of your day. It has been a pleasure serving you. We hope you enjoyed your flight and see you again soon in one of our future flights. Have a pleasant stay in Manila or wherever your final destination may be. The use of cellular phones inside the aircraft and in the ramp area is strictly prohibited. You may turn on your cell phones once you reach the terminal building. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a criminal offense. For those passengers traveling with infant life vests, please return infant life vests to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. binibinigi ng Ginoo, mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw at ang pinto po ay napuksan na para sa inyong pagbaba. Ladies and gentlemen, we request you to remain seated until the fasten seatbelt signs are turned off and the door has been opened for you to deplate. Thank you and welcome to Manila.
Cabin crew, disarm flights, cross check.